This is day 2 for the build of Speedster can case rear wind Speedster, which I have bought it from RC Bazaar. Since RC Bazaar has been very kind to send me the engine for testing and first initial running, this is, I believe, the first of the stock from their engines, the first piece which has been given to me. Engine's already been opened and dry mounted onto the model to test various aspects like the cowl placement, etc. First I'll take you to the box. This was the box in which the engine came, nicely packed, found inside. Stock supplies, muffler, T-wrench, RC XL CDI, CN6 spark plug, unfortunately made in China, but I have kind of faith that the plug will do good. If not, I will change it to CN6 made in Japan. The muffler gasket, the muffler screws, all the stock hardware is used in this. I have not rotated the carburetor yet. I will see if the setting can be done with the long arm has been installed by me for the throttle long arm. What had been missing, which I find should definitely be there, is the spring locks as well as the this is very important. As you will see, I have used it in the back and of course in the front while tightening the bolts. Washers, I believe, is very important, which need to be a standard accessory in the stock hardware. However, I have installed it from my side. Engine seems to be okay, the same normal DLE type engine, but the difference which I find is the crankcase. In this case, it's very small. I would be doing the first test very soon, but in the meantime, since I'm waiting for the supplier to send me the servos and electronics, etc., I have started with the dry run of the engine.